So that's why I would probably say maybe there's that misconception saying, "Oh, scalpers don't work." They work if you've got the right market access.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So like the technology will matter, and
yeah,
the infrastructure,
100%.
maybe even who you're trading with, and what, because as you say, the average retail trader 9 times or 99 times out of 100, for example, won't have access to that sort of stuff.
Yeah,
I love it. But the auction is very fascinating. So
yeah,
you're looking at that average, you're looking at, so that auction is everywhere,
yeah.
but the main focus of that auction, or say, let's actually break it down. Actually, that's what came to mind earlier. In terms of why is that area of interest? It's because that is where almost the bidding war is taking place.
Correct.
That is where you're going to see between the buyers and sellers who's in control.
Yeah, so let's look at fair value. So if we're talking about like, Canada Goose jackets or something like that, right? So, the price of those went up to like a grand or 800 quid or whatever at some point. And then what we then see is like an increased supply. So if, for example, something gets too popular or there's a lot, so with the easiest example of this is gold, right? So if we're trading with gold and gold is auctioning higher like it is at the moment, as soon as we get close to $3,000, right, the average cost of production is like $920 to $970 an ounce. So they're selling it at 3,000. If they get to 3,000, Newmont, Barrick, all of these Yamana Gold, all of these gold companies are going to produce more because they're making more money at that stage,
Yeah.
right? That's what's going to drive the price down.